Welcome to Frozen G Coins, a place for us to learn about numismatic coins and precious metals. Which makes the most sense to purchase? Someone asked, what do you prefer to buy and why? Graded or ungraded coins? My answer was graded, since they are easier to authenticate and price for resale. For this video, I'm going to go over 3 examples of this. I have 9 coins, 3 sets of 3 that were each minted at the same mint with the same date. The first is the 1887 Morgan, 1 raw, and 1 an MS62 and 1 an MS61. We are going to use current gray sheet prices to come up with an explanation and see if it makes more sense to purchase graded or ungraded coins. For this 1887 MS62 Morgan gray sheet is at $86.47. The MS61 is at $74.47, a $2 difference in price. The ungraded is up for interpretation as to the grade due to damage, cleaning, or authenticity. The one in my possession is authentic, but even at the lowest gray sheet value is at $59.22, a $15.25 difference from the MS61 price. A lot of the dealers that I follow are selling common date Morgans for melt value, which at this time Morgan and peace dollars are melting for silver value of $58.37, about $1 less than the lowest Morgan gray sheet price. Now let's look at price on 2 different peace dollars. This 1922 MS63 gray sheets for $85. The MS62 is $65.57, almost a $20 difference. Compare that to the ungraded lowest price for the 1922 peace dollar. Gray sheet is $58.97, a $6.60 difference from the MS62 price. The last 3 coins are going to be the 1923 peace dollar. MS63 is $85. The MS62 is $65.57. The ungraded raw coin is $58.97. These are the same prices as the 1922 set. But this is not a pricing video. We now need to look at some things to see which is better. If you are looking to fill spots in an album, raw coins are definitely the way to go. Just look for the nicest example that you can and place it in the open spot. But if you are looking to collect the nicest examples that you can find, graded is the way, because a third party has looked at the coins and gave an opinion on the grade. This is not always set in stone, as I see many people questioning the grade on the slab, but it at least gives a good starting point. This is also true with reselling, as having the starting point, you can always haggle with a person if you feel it is wrong. This goes for either party. The seller may price a grade higher due to their belief, or the person buying may offer a grade less price and you haggle and meet in the middle. None of my examples were extreme, of lower mintage or extremely rare coins. One thing that we have to take into consideration when talking about graded versus raw coins is the price added to the coin for the person who is submitting for grading. First, you need to be a member of the service you are submitting to, like PCGS, where the lowest membership price is $69 a year. Then each coin would cost at least $23 for the lowest tier service. So if I wanted to send my 3 ungraded coins into PCGS, it would cost me $138 plus shipping there and back. Hoping that they grade high enough to recoup that cost, I would need this 1887 Morgan to grade at least the MS64 to get close to the price of the coin. From the melt value of $58.30 plus $23 for grading, plus the $23 for grading service membership, plus we'll add, let's just throw $5 for shipping. I would be at $109.37 if I bought at melt and graded it. So the MS63 price of $85 does not recoup my cost. If you add more coins to the submission to the graders, the overall cost does go down because the membership cost and shipping both ways is taken into consideration. Authenticity is also one example as to why graded is the better way. As long as you can authenticate the slab, which the 2 graders do very well by scanning the barcode or using the chip, we have more peace of mind that it is a real coin and not a plated replica. The rarer the coin, the more this becomes a necessity, in my opinion. But if you just like the metal and are trying to get more silver weight, grading is not a necessity, as it just adds cost to the coin. But this is the reason, in my opinion, that silver rounds were made. Coins and slabs are also protected from further damage. So I am still going to get ungraded and graded coins, but looking at these reasons, I am going to continue with my preference for graded coins. Thanks for watching Frozen G Coins. Feel free to comment video ideas or questions you may have. Also, please subscribe and check out frozeng-coins.com.